Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put into s to the power of 3, s to the power of 4. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u over 4. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du over 4. dv we have sine u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So negative and negative in here, we have positive, and I will put 1 over 4 go outside. So we have the integration of cosine u du. This one, that is about sine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.